I will teach you how to earn money scanning receipts with ReceiptPal. For signing up you get 650 reward points. If you link Amazon accounts, it will read receipt automatically and add reward points to ReceiptPal. I highly recommend linking your Amazon account to get rewards for normal purchase receipts. ReceiptPal includes sweepstakes to win reward points. Level 1 rewards start with $5 Amazon e-gift card for 2,200 points or $5 retail e-gift card for 2,200 points as well. Level 2 rewards include $10 Amazon e-gift card for 4,000 points and $10 retail e-gift card for 4,000 points. There is also $25 Amazon e-gift card for 9,250 points or $25 retail e-gift card for 92,500 points. You need to take just one 5-minute survey to make to Level 2 rewards. You can make it to Level 3 rewards in 30 days. Level 3 rewards come with $50 Amazon e-gift card for 17,250 points and $100 Amazon e-gift card for 32,250 points. I recommend you hoard your points to claim rewards in Level 3 reward because less points or dollar rewards at higher level. However, if you are like me and patient and want to cash out sooner, then you can cash out your points at lower level 1 for $5 reward for 2,200 points. When you sign up, ReceiptPal will ask you to log into email and will scan all email receipts to add reward points. In order to scan your receipts, click on camera blue icon. Make sure when scanning receipt have the store name, total purchase, and receipt dates clearly visible on the picture frame of the camera. One receipt scan is like 100 points. Remember to scan receipts as you create them. Receipts dates must be within 14 days from scanning date or it will be invalid and not count for rewards. Scanned receipt is manually verified and added to your total points. I have included the link to sign up. Use this link, it helps this channel as well. I also have a video of Fetch Rewards link provided below that is very similar to ReceiptPal that lets you scan receipts to get rewards. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. It help YouTube gods find this video.